Good morning. What's everyone doing today? I am just trying to paint my nails because I'm doing beauty product and your hands are on the video. Unboxing some really expensive skincare. I have 7 projects to shoot. If you look online on YouTube at Nesto, N-E-S-T-O, I do a lot of their explainer videos. Yeah, I use a white screen, just a white backdrop for that. I have to go to the post office because I haven't unboxed a product there that I don't know what it is. They tried to deliver yesterday. I have one for a high-end expensive rug store that I need to do. I have a mortgage one for a mortgage company in Canada. I have a solar one, and then I have one for a pet store about dogs and issues they have with their anal glands. You heard that right. It's a product they have that helps anal glands, they clean them out. You know what? I get the most interesting videos. Oh, and in between that, I am going to my daughter. She's just about graduated hair school at the Aveda Institute here in Winnipeg. She's doing a haircut on me today as part of her test, so not too much, just a trim, I think. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just setting up in the ensuite to do the makeup. Not makeup, skincare. The first thing I do is close this blind, and then I have to get rid of my husband's hockey picture. I mean, it's a great, cool photo if you like hockey, but it doesn't look too good in my background. So that has to, this is a very expensive, lovely line from Las Vegas that I have been sent to unbox, and I've been doing a series of videos for them. I'll show you my ring light. It's right here. So I'm gonna flip you over here. See? Now you are on the other side. I'm gonna be showing this product. You need a little more makeup sometimes when you're on camera because, I don't know, if it just whites you out a bit, but I'm gonna show you that I use for my filming is I have this little microphone that pops right into my iPhone. So it comes like this, but when you have, what do you call it, a thing around your phone? A case! Brain's not working this morning. For it to fit properly in the case, I just bought this extra little toggle thing. So I can put that in the link below, but then it goes right in the case. This was about $170 Canadian, so it'd be less US. This is the box it came in, and I was told by a high-end tech company that this was really good. And I had another one that I bought for 50 bucks and it broke. And I returned it to Amazon. This one I got off Amazon, but Think Media is the company. I follow them on YouTube. Follow them. They've got amazing tips. But this really just ups my sound and makes it sound better. And now that I'm doing a few like business videos for corporations, I think it's just even more important to have good sound. So, and I use it outside. It's good if it's windy. Okay, I'm gonna do this video and then I'll take you on to the next. Okay, I got one that I like for the skincare, so I just edit it, and by editing, I mean all I do is cut the beginning and the end off. I don't do any editing. I actually have a really awesome editor, so if you need his information, I'll put that down in the link below. He's awesome if you're looking for more editing for videos. I don't have time to edit anything other than cutting the beginning and the end off. So now that's one video down. He has to approve. If he needs me to redo it, I can come back and redo it, but generally I gotta get going to the next video. Okay, I am just setting up for the next video. You might have noticed I have changed. I literally change probably, honestly, sometimes 4 or 5 times a day, just different outfits for the different things that I'm doing. So when I do my e-learning one later, I'll probably put on a blazer, but I have to turn the dishwasher off. First thing I have to do. Okay, so I'm gonna run over here and start setting myself up to film behind me. Hey, so something else I do is I run through the script, usually 2 times. Sometimes I have to do it 3 or maybe 4 if there's some tricky words. With the rug one, it's exotic rugs from, I guess, different countries. I was struggling a little bit with some of the names of the rugs, so that one took me a bit longer, but usually I can go through a script twice and I'm ready to go. So I've gone through it once and my heating came on. I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear kind of a loud hum in the background. So I have to turn my heating down, which sometimes I forget to turn on once. I was filming in the kitchen, I turned my fridge off. I turned it off overnight. I forgot to turn it on. And I had to throw a bunch of stuff out in the morning out of the freezer. No one knows. Anyway, I try to remember to turn it on now. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna go turn my heat off, run through my script again and get this one done. Okay, just getting set up. I need to move a few things around. This is my background that I use for a lot of my more natural style in home backgrounds. So I have these papers here. This is my green screen, my white screen. I just kind of lay them back there, but I usually stand right in front of it so no one notices. Are you gonna take your bone and chomp right in my video? I have to go move my dog. So I'm just getting ready to film with my white screen and my 2 box lights. I bought these box lights off of Amazon, and they're really good when I need just a little bit extra light, which I always do when I use a green screen or the white screen. That's the only time I ever use them, just because of the shadows and because they're editing them. It just brings the shadows down. It's not so much for my light, but my ring light works pretty good for just my normal light. It just brings the shadows down so they can make their video. And I'll link below. So it's for a company called Nesto and their mortgage company in Canada out east. I'll put one of the links below. I think I've done like 6 videos for them now, which is cool. I feel like I'm starting to kind of be the face of Nesto Mortgage. I'll put a video below and you can go check out their site and see what I did for them. They take my video and then they have editors that do stuff to it. So I'm gonna get to work here. Okay, so I am just setting up my lighting. You can see a shadow here. I think I made it worse. And I have to make sure that you can't see the edge of each screen, so it has to be close enough. I think it looks pretty good. They also lighten and brighten it, and they put kind of an interesting filter excuse me, over it. If you go and look at my video, I have purple lips. They put some kind of filter. Maybe it makes me look younger. Haha, just kidding. That'd be good though. But yeah, they brighten it and then they do a few things to it. But yeah, so this is basically my setup, and I'm gonna do my explainer video now for Nesto Insurance, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna head downtown to get my hair cut by my daughter, but I have a video I have to do outside, so I'm thinking I'll walk outside down there because it's cooler than walking around here. I'm gonna do work while I go get my hair cut. Let's go. So I came downtown a little bit early because I was hoping to shoot a video for my business because I want one walking along outside, but I don't know if you can hear, it's raining. So that might not work. I might have to wait till after. I'll show you where I'm going. So I'm parked here and the Aveda Institute is in that cool old building. So this is where I sit and wait for Robin to come get me and do my hair. He's in the hallway. This is like the student area where we wait, and then we go in behind here. So we're all done. She gave me a really nice trim. Fix up my makeup, and now I'm gonna head out again. Thanks, Robin. So these are the 2 boxes I had to pick up at the post office, and I actually had to pay duty on this one, 43 bucks. So I think these are unboxings, but I'll have to find out what it is, and I'll have to find out because usually they'll pay me for the duty if it's something big like that. So let's see what's in them. I know they're both unboxings, so let's take a look what this one is. Organic face oil. So I'm going to do an unboxing for that. This one came from Ontario, Canada. And this one came from the US, and I'm not sure what it is. It's big. Heavy. Oh, they sent me a scale. Oh, this is that weight. Somebody wanted me to do, they have a weight program, like for losing weight. And they just wanted to, what's like, oh, I don't even know. I've got all kinds of stuff here. Look, I got a scale. They sent me a scale. It's their whole system. An ab wheel. What the heck is an ab wheel? I don't even know what that is. And then their program, which consists of some nutritional, natural things. It's their weight loss system. Oh, a skipping rope. Okay, this is going to be fun. Well, I'm not going to unbox everything, so I should probably put that into a video, but that'll be fun, and I'll let you guys know when I unbox this properly, and you can watch it. So we cleaned up. We're going out for the first time in a few months because of COVID and everything. Had to find the dress, the heels, and all that good stuff, but we're heading out for the evening. It's going to be fun.
Yeah, let's go.